This is the front view of the machine. Workbench lift rotary button, control the lifting of the workbench. Limit sensor, control the scraper's working range. Scraper, during the solder paste printing process, the solder paste is pressed evenly and accurately into the opening area of the screen. PCB work area, put the PCB in the work area. PCB position adjustment button, by fine-tuning left and right, front and back, the position of the steel mesh and the PCB is precisely aligned. Control work button area, all the work setting buttons are in this area. Step 1. Connect the compressor, the workbench will automatically rise. Step 2. Install the scraper according to the size of the steel mesh. The scraper with the protruding part facing outwards. Then fasten the four screws. The installation method is the same for both sides. Step 3. The scraper bracket is fixed by the bayonet, and this button can adjust the scraper forward and backward. This switch is used to fix the scraper bracket. There are two on the left and right. Step 4. Install the PCB board. Select the ejector pins that are consistent with the PCB through holes, and install the ejector pins on the fixing bar. Note: the height of the ejector pin cannot exceed the thickness of the PCB, otherwise it will cause abnormal printing. Determine the approximate position of the PCB, find the threaded holes, and roughly fix the positioning strips. If your PCB is large, please use a fixing block to support the bottom of the PCB. Install the steel mesh. Adjust the distance between the steel mesh brackets according to the size of the steel mesh. Please adjust the limit sensor according to the scraper moving position. When the sensor light is on, it indicates the maximum moving position. The left sensor position is adjusted according to the maximum working position of the left scraper. The right sensor position is adjusted according to the maximum working position of the right scraper. Step 5. Testing mode. Click Power button. Choose Crawl. Press Start with both hands at the same time. Then confirm whether the distance between the steel mesh and the PCB is appropriate and adjust it according to the actual situation. After confirming the height of the steel mesh, please adjust the distance between the left and right and the front and back of the steel mesh. After all parameters are adjusted, please lock the steel mesh. Place the scraper in the working position and lock the scraper. In the Crawl interface, click RNIF, and the scraper on the right will drop down. Please confirm the contact surface between the scraper and the steel mesh. The best state is to slightly press down after the scraper touches the steel mesh. You can adjust the level with these for screws. These two screws adjust the height. After adjustment, you can click our print to test it. The test way of L scraper are same as our scraper. Working mode test. Click Semi-Auto, press 2, Start, together. Real work mode.